Sa video natin ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano makakuha ng discount sa Bluehost this August 2025. Kung matagal mo ng plano to save on web hosting this month, perfect timing to para simulan mo na. May exclusive discounts ang Bluehost sa hosting plans nila at ituturo ko sa inyo exactly how to get it. Pero bago yon, kwento ko muna saglit kung ano ba talaga ang Bluehost. Ang Bluehost ay isa sa pinaka-trusted na web hosting providers at sobrang ganda nito if you're planning to build your site on WordPress. Actually, officially recommended ng WordPress si Bluehost bilang isa sa best hosting services for beginners. Ang gusto ko talaga kay Bluehost ay simple lang siyang gamitin but still powerful enough to grow with your site. Kahit starting ka pa lang ng blog, online store, o business site, you've got options. Yung plans nila ay ginawa to support everything from basic personal sites to high traffic website at kahit e-commerce. May access ka pa rin sa easy-to-use dashboard, free email accounts, at reliable customer support kung sakaling ma-struck ka. At pagdating sa performance, si Bluehost ay may solid uptime and speed which helps keep your visitors happy at maayos ang rankings mo. Para makakuha ng discount, gamitin lang ang exclusive link namin sa description sa baba. Pag kinik mo yung link, makikita mo na meron tayong special partner offer. Pwede ka mag-link ng Get Started at dito makikita mo yung iba't ibang plans and pricing options. Meron silang standard and advanced. Sa standard plan, pwede ka makasave ng up to 80%. Meron silang starter, business, and e-commerce essential plan. Sa starter plan, it's $1.99 lang per month at makakasave ka ng 80%. Kasama dito ang web hosting, 10 websites, 30-day money-back guarantee, free CDN, 24/7 support, SSL, web application, firewall, Yoast SEO, free plugin, pro email free trial, static content caching, at marami pang iba, pati na rin ang isang WordPress staging site. Hindi ko nababasahin lahat ng to isa-isa. Kung gusto mong i-check, gamitin mo lang yung link sa baba. Meron din silang business plan na $3.99 per month at makakasave ka ng 73%. Perfect to for multiple sites na kailangan ng storage, security, at backup. Makukuha mo lahat ng nasa starter plan. Kasama na rin dito ang phone support, malware detection and removal, at marami pang iba. Meron din silang e-commerce essentials kung saan makakasave ka ng 61% at ito ay $6.99 per month. Itong plan na to gives you the essentials commerce tools to sell your content online kaya mas marami kang websites, more storage na ideal for more visitors a month. Kasama rin dito yung things like WooCommerce, auto-install, at easy social logins. Pati na rin ang advanced features like static content caching, object caching, at iba pa. Meron ding advanced plans kung saan pwede ka makasave ng up to 30%. Meron din silang WordPress Cloud na $16.99 per month, VPS hosting na $46.99 per month na may special discount kung saan makakasave ka ng 29%, ang dedicated hosting na may 25% discount. Kung gusto mo na mag-start, piliin lang yung plan na gusto mo. Pwede ka mag-register ng new domain, gamitin yung existing mo, o choose a domain later. Kita mo naman, naka-include na agad yung savings. Kung gusto mo mag-add ng iba't ibang features, pwede rin. May 30-day money-back guarantee din sila, kaya walang risk kung gusto mo lang i-try at i-check kung swak sa'yo to. Kung hindi, you can always get your money back. Kaya kung gusto mong i-check ang Bluehost at makuha yung best price possible, gamitin mo lang yung exclusive link namin sa baba. Gusto ko lang sabihin na affiliate links to. Ibig sabihin, we do earn a small commission pero walang extra cost sa'yo. Kung gagamitin mo yung links namin, thank you in advance sa suporta mo. Dito na nagtatapos ang video na to. Kung may questions o comments ka, drop them below and we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget na mag-like at mag-subscribe sa channel. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.